The Principal Toolkit is intended to be a very concrete, structured tool that will help a principal go through the entire year of Second Step along with the classroom teachers who are teaching the program. One of the really neat things about the Principal Toolkit is that it provides tools for the principal to more deeply engage staff in Second Step content, to engage families in the community, and to engage students individually as well as at the classroom and school-wide level.
Okay, our second step message for this morning is using self-talk.
Self-talk means talking to ourselves in a quiet voice or in our heads. I love the Principal Toolkit because it reinforces it on a different level for the kids as far as they hear repeated through the announcements, some of the skills that they're learning in the classroom. Also, as students come up and work with me, we can also use that same common language as far as what step could you have used or technique could you have used to solve the problem instead of doing what you did.
Second Step programs, making it easy to make a difference.